Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your work address to your Uber account on the Uber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the account button down below, which is on the right side corner. Then click on settings, that can be found in the middle of the page. Tap on add work, which is the second option, and here you should use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the name of your work address. Type it in, select it, and as you can see, it has been updated automatically. So feel free to update it anytime you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.